Hello everyone and welcome to Prison Architect. Today we will be constructing our very own prison with the easiest setting, so it'll be impossible for us to lose, hopefully. Oh, I can pronounce that name, so we're gonna do that. Yeah, we have nothing selected, so hopefully we shouldn't be able to lose. If we lose, it's not my fault. No, she follows my mouse, dude. This game is already the best. So we are the warden. That's pretty cool. Can we kill ourselves? Nope, I guess we're just a legend. Okay, well, let's go ahead and quick build a nice office, and we'll put it right here. Let's make a kitchen first. I feel like having a kitchen, that's my top priority. Yep, we're just the best. When are the prisoners arriving? We should probably make like a rec room area so that we can have nice entertainment and stuff. So let's do that. Obviously, the prisoners aren't going to be allowed to enter this area because they're prisoners, and why would you want them to have a nice time in prison? That's kind of stupid. Oh, you can run in this game. That's fucking weird. How do I make lights? I don't know. I don't care. That room could be dark. It's fine by me. Alright, so since we are a prison and this is our rec room for me, we're gonna make a nice walkway from my office to the entertainment because, you know, that's kind of what I deserve. I don't know how to get lights. Oh, right here. You need it nice and bright, otherwise we won't be able to see. Oh, we only have $2,000 left. Alright, so we're really low on funds, which means that this is an emergency, so we're going to need fire engine. Oh, hello, please, I need money. Can you give me some, please? Wow, they're really going at it adding these lights, huh? Okay, I guess now we have to actually start making a prison. Well, we're having fun. That's all that matters. Oh, we need a holding cell. I guess that'll hold our people, right? So we want to make it as difficult as possible to escape. So I think that means like putting it directly in front of the kitchen. How big should we make the holding cell? That should be fine. Oh, I guess that room is just so small that no one even wants to try to build it. Okay, well that's fine. Guess we could just make it a little bit bigger. This holding cell is too small. I guess we have to do it again. Okay, so that's the holding cell. Oh, it needs a door. Oh, I can read. It needs fucking... It has requirements. It needs a door. It needs a toilet and a bench. You know what? We can do that. Let's give it a nice large jail door. Let's put it right there. Perfect. And we need a bench, so we can put a bench in there, no problem. That's a large bench. And now we can make it a holding cell, right? Yes, now we got a holding cell. That's pretty nice. Oh, it needs a toilet too. Okay, well we can put a toilet in there. That's not a problem. What is this? Why is there garbage on the floor? Oh god, the prisoners come in like an hour. Oh, this is not good. Okay, well, that's a holding cell, but it doesn't want to work. Let's build a shower now because that's the next thing we need to do. Let's put it right here. So we're gonna have a nice shower right here. Shower head right in the middle. Okay, so why is there garbage all over the floor? Not my problem. Why do they want to be in the holding cell? They could just run away if they really wanted to. Oh, this prisoner is here for blackmail for 9 years? Are you kidding? Okay, Supermax. Oh, this person just, you know, set some shit on fire. Minimum. Hey look, we successfully built a yard, but none of this other stuff. Why are these people having such a hard time getting through a door? Just open it. Oh, maybe we should unlock it, huh? Yeah, that would have helped. Oh, now they can't get out. Okay, stay in there. No, oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, well, we tried. So the bench is nowhere near the table, but that's okay, because they don't need to be able to sit. What do they want? This was going a lot smoother in my head. They just started peeing on the floor. Oh, someone died. Well, that's not very good, huh? Oh, poor person. Can I go too? Oh, never mind. Goodbye. Oh, they actually have to clean? Oh, I haven't even been in this room and they want to clean it. Okay. Oh, we have more prisoners. Oh, well, that's not very good now, is it? We have to feed the prisoners now? Oh my god. Okay, well, they should be going in here. I don't know why they're not. Okay, so what we're going to do is just make a long hallway going, like, from here to the canteen. And then we'll be fine. These guys just really cannot get through these doors, huh? Let's just lock it open for now, and hopefully no prisoners escape. Okay, so they're all peeing themselves. Oh, it's because we don't have a water system. You know what? We should do that. We're just gonna set right there. Perfect. You know, I'm not gonna lie. This is a really good prison that we have here. Alright, let's connect it to all these other things that need water for no apparent reason. Oh, they're escaping. That's not good. Alright, look, we had 2 people escape, and it wasn't my fault. Let's just lock it open for now, and hopefully no prisoners escape. We should probably turn this on. I was wondering why none of this was getting power. Oh, look at that. Oh, yeah, we ran out of power. Aw, we were so close. We're doing it! Oh, we broke it. Okay, well, I don't know what to do now. Okay, well, that works for me. Oh, why isn't the water working? Oh, probably because it's not on. Oh. Anyway, that's not my issue. Is he dead? Oh, well, it doesn't matter now. He's going away. Can someone clean this up? Oh, they want to sleep. Okay, well, I can accommodate you there. Sleep. Only one of you gets to sleep because I only like one of you. Maybe we need a pipe valve. Let's put that here. It's really bloody in here. Honestly, not my problem. He's resting on... Move. Move. This person is guilty of joyriding. Oh my god. Supermax, you're a terrible human being. Oh, someone died. What happened? Where did they die? Oh, well, that's highly unfortunate. Alright, you guys have a real issue here. Just either shut up or go to sleep, okay? There's a bed in here for a reason. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a visiting area. Let's make it this big. Oh, well, they're trying to escape. Oh, well, they're escaping. That sucks. Okay, look, they got most of them, alright? And I feel like that's more important than anything. Let's make just that the visiting area. You know, it would really be a shame if someone were to get stuck in this this hole that is just happens to be here. That would suck just so much, wouldn't it? Oh, well, it happened. Well, let's try not to forget her. I want to be able to see my friend now. They're all injured. What happened to them? Oh, it says build 2 offices. Oh, we can build another office. No problem. That's good. And now it's an office. Who's screaming? Can you guys stop screaming? I'm trying to beat this game, okay? You know, I really enjoy how I'm just standing, like, in between all of them and they're not trying to hurt me. That's pretty cool. Dude, really? On the floor? Dude, there's, like, a toilet right here. Alright, we have 1 prisoner due for release. No, that's not gonna happen. You know, honestly, I feel like I'm doing this all backwards. I feel like the prisoners should be serving me and not actually being prisoners. Make them, like, unpaid workers. They're not slaves because we're telling them what to do, and it's legal. Let's do something that we've always wanted to do. Pool table. TV, drink machine. Did someone try to escape? Is that what that was? Oh my god, there's so many. They want a holding cell? Why do they want to be in a holding cell? I don't understand. You know what? Let's make this a holding cell. Hey, look, now we got a better holding cell. You want to know why it's better? Because it has a bookshelf, and now people can learn while they're being held in prison. I accidentally misplaced that one. I hope that annoys someone. Help! Help! Please help! Please help! They got her. Oh my god, no wonder why she was fucking Supermax. This woman is crazy. Look, now we have an unconscious worker. Alright, now we have 41 guards. Why are they all in here? Why do they want to be in here? What is your guys' problem? You know what? Now that I'm thinking about it, and that I'm injured here, I don't think I'm fit to run a correctional institution. This isn't my job. I had fun, but honestly, this is just not what I want to be doing with my life. And that's gonna do it for me. Don't mind all the people trying to escape in the background. That's just, they're having fun. Anyway, guys, you've seen how successful my prison can be, so hopefully you follow in my footsteps and also create the exact same prison, and hopefully yours will be just as successful as mine. Highly doubtful, though, because mine is just... no one can beat it, honestly. I'm the best warden in the world. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you later.